Hey guys, it's me Norie, and today is the last day for me in California, which is so sad. I'm going back to Tokyo to go back to school. This is my travel outfit right now. I have this. It's still a little early, so I think we're gonna go to Chick-fil-A, and I already have my suitcase in the car. Let's go to Chick-fil-A. Got the goods and my drink. Check out my awesome sleeping travel pillow thing. It was in my last video. And it's gonna be a long car ride. I just landed in Japan, and I have my stuff here, and I'm in like a giant toilet. But I have to I'm gonna switch my shoes because these are not it. So it's so hot. It's actually the next night. Next night, and I forgot to film, but yes, I did get back home safely, if you guys were wondering. And also, I just wanted to show you these Chick-fil-A sauces I brought back from America. Emily introduced me to these, and I've been addicted, so I brought them back. And yeah, I have no pants on right now, but I think I'm going to end the video right here, so make sure to leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and turn on the post bell notifications, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!